This is the Pelsee P12 Pro 4K mirror dash cam. It's a 12-inch rear view mirror camera with smart driving assistance. It's equipped with a 4K UHD front camera plus HDR technology. The car camera can achieve dual vision recording and helps capture key details like road signs, license plates, and more. With advanced image processing technology, the mirror dash cam effectively minimizes glare distortion from vehicles behind you and from the sun in your face. It includes an advanced voice control. The voice control feature allows you to easily command the rear view dash camera by giving a voice command, ensuring safer driving. 8 voice commands allow you to start and stop recording, take still pictures, and more. I tested these features and I was happy with the results. It includes a free 32G TF card and GPS tracking. The built-in GPS accurately records your driving location and route information, providing more detailed and reliable evidence in case of accidents. You can view your route and tracker on the dedicated GPS player. It also shows you the speed that you're traveling. The loop recording, G-sensor, and time-lapse recording features. The loop recording allows overwriting the oldest file to ensure continuous recording when the memory card reaches full. The G-sensor detects a sudden collision and locks the collision footage. And the time-lapse mode records and compresses every 30 minutes of video, saving power and storage space. It's got a 24-hour parking monitor. The parking monitor enables the dash cam front and rear camera to start recording a locked video for about 20 seconds once the G-sensor encounters a collision while parked. An extra ACC hardwire kit is needed for that function. And it also has the advanced driver assistance system, which detects nearby obstacles and alerts for safe driving. Includes 5 ADAS alerts, forward collision, pedestrian collision, lane departure, headway monitoring, and forward movement. And it also has an intelligent blind spot detection.